Hi guys, so today we are making a simple yet incredibly satisfying dish, butter garlic spaghetti. This classic Italian recipe is bursting with flavor and comes together in minutes. We'll be combining the richness of butter with aromatic goodness of garlic to create a simple yet unforgettable sauce. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. I'll guide you through every step from cooking the pasta to creating the perfect buttery garlic sauce. So grab your ingredients, get ready to savor the aroma, and let's cook up a storm together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. When water starts to boil, add 500 grams spaghetti pasta. Add some salt to taste. Make sure that the water is slightly salty. Then add about 4 tablespoons oil and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the pasta is 90% cooked. So the pasta is cooked now. Then remove 1 bowl pasta water and keep aside. It will be used later in the recipe. Then simply strain the pasta. Then in a hot pan add 4 tablespoons butter, 1 onion chopped, 6 garlic cloves chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half tablespoon dry red chili flakes, add some salt to taste, then fry it for few seconds. Then add 1 bowl pasta water which was previously kept. Also add the cooked pasta. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, half tablespoon dried parsley. You can also use fresh parsley if you like. And then give it a nice mix. Then cook the pasta for about 2 minutes. Make sure the pasta is not too dry and not too much watery as well. Make sure the consistency is something like this. And there you have it guys, a delicious and easy to make butter garlic spaghetti. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for butter garlic spaghetti as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying dish. I hope you will try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.